Tired of the daily grind? Craving the freedom and rewards of being your own boss? This isn't just another list of business ideas. It's a treasure map to unearthing your own goldmine of entrepreneurial success. Get ready to unleash your inner innovator and turn your wildest business dreams into reality. There are 10 ways to come up with a profitable business idea. Number 1. Solve a common problem. What are the little annoyances or frustrations you face in your everyday life? Chances are other people are feeling the same way. Think about how you could create a product or service that would make their lives easier. For example, a company called Swivel Sweeper created a dustpan with wheels that can swivel and conform to the floor, making it easier to clean up spills. Imagine you're a superhero, but instead of fighting bad guys, you fight annoying everyday problems. Think of something that bugs you like crazy. Those little things that make you go ugh. Wouldn't it be awesome if... Maybe it's messy spills that never seem to stay in the dustpan, or boring water bottles that get lukewarm in 5 minutes. That's your chance to be a business hero. Can you invent something that makes life easier for yourself and others? Like that cool Swivel Sweeper dustpan that swoops up messes like magic. Now that's using your superpowers for good. Number 2, improve an existing product or service. There are always ways to improve on existing products and services. Look for products that are popular but have some drawbacks, and then brainstorm ways to make them better. For example, a company called Flask created a double-walled vacuum-insulated water bottle that keeps drinks hot or cold for hours, which is a major improvement over traditional water bottles. Imagine you have a favorite toy, like a bike. It's pretty cool, but maybe the tires go flat too easily, or the handlebars are a bit bumpy. That's where improving comes in. It's like taking that bike and making it even more awesome. There are lots of popular things out there, like comfy shoes or yummy snacks, but sometimes they have little quirks that bug us. That's where we get clever and think, hey, what if we change this? For example, those old school water bottles? They'd leak in your bag, and your drink would get lukewarm in a flash. Not cool. But then, someone came up with the Hydro Flask, a double-walled superhero that keeps your drink icy cold or piping hot for hours. Boom! Problem solved. Happy camper. Number 3, cater to a niche market. A niche market is a small group of people with specific needs or interests. By focusing on a niche market, you can become the go-to provider for those people's needs. For example, a company called BarkBox creates subscription boxes of toys and treats for dogs, which is a perfect solution for busy dog owners who want to spoil their furry friends. Imagine you're at a huge party with all sorts of people. There's a big buffet with tons of food, but you're looking for something specific, like spicy vegan pizza. Instead of searching the whole table, wouldn't it be easier if there was a smaller table just for that? That's what a niche market is like. It's a smaller group of people at the party who all share a specific interest, just like your love for spicy vegan pizza. By focusing on that niche, you become the pizza table for them, the expert they can rely on for all their spicy vegan pizza needs. Number 4, leverage your skills and experience. What are you good at? What do you have a lot of experience in? You can use your skills and experience to create a business that provides value to others. For example, if you're a great baker, you could start a home bakery or cake decorating business. Imagine you're a master chef whipping up delicious dishes for years. You know all the tricks, the perfect spices, and how to make someone's taste buds sing. That's your skill and experience. Now, wouldn't it be amazing to share this magic with others? That's where leveraging your skills comes in. Think of it like this. You have a gold mine of knowledge and talent, and starting a business is like building a bakery around it. You can bake amazing cakes, so you could open a home bakery and spread joy with every slice. Or if you're a whiz with frosting designs, you could offer cake decorating classes and teach others your secret techniques. It's all about taking what you're good at and turning it into something that helps others. Maybe you're a coding whiz, you could build a website development business. Or if you're a language maestro, you could teach online language courses. The possibilities are endless. Number 5, follow a trend. What are the current trends in the market? Can you create a business that capitalizes on those trends? For example, the trend of people eating healthier has led to the rise of businesses that sell organic and healthy food products. Imagine you're walking down a busy street and everyone's wearing bright orange sneakers. That's a trend. Lots of people are doing the same thing, and it's catching on. Now, you could just keep walking in your regular shoes, but wouldn't it be cool to join the fun and grab a pair of those orange sneakers too? That's kind of like starting a business based on a trend. You see what's hot and popular, then figure out how you can make something awesome that fits right in. Number 6, combine existing ideas. Sometimes, the best business ideas come from combining 2 or more existing ideas. For example, a company called Warby Parker combined the idea of online glasses shopping with the idea of affordable prices, which has disrupted the traditional eyeglass industry. Imagine you have a box full of awesome Legos, but you only build simple things like houses and cars. Cool, but not exactly mind-blowing. Now, picture taking those same Legos and combining them in crazy ways. Suddenly, you're building spaceships with robot chefs and roller coaster pizza deliveries. That's the power of combining existing ideas. Warby Parker did just that. They took online shopping, which already existed, and mixed it with affordable glasses, which most people couldn't afford. This Lego building of ideas created something totally new and exciting, shaking up the whole glasses game. Think of it like making a superfood smoothie. You wouldn't just blend spinach, right? You'd add bananas for sweetness, berries for antioxidants, and maybe even some peanut butter for protein. Each ingredient is great on its own, but together they create something even better and tastier. So, the next time you're looking for a business idea, don't just stare at the same old building blocks. Grab a bunch of different ones, even if they seem unrelated, and start mixing and matching. You might just invent the next big thing, like roller coaster pizza delivery robots, patent pending, of course. Number 7, think outside the box. Don't be afraid to get creative and come up with something new and different. The best business ideas are often the ones that no one else has thought of before. Imagine you're stuck in a tiny square room, trying to find your way out. You keep bumping into the same walls, same corners, same old. That's kind of like thinking inside the box for business ideas. It's safe, familiar, but not very exciting, and you might miss the grand prize hiding just beyond the edge. Thinking outside the box is like blasting a hole in that stuffy room and stepping into a whole new world. It's letting your imagination run wild, like a squirrel hopped up on superpowered acorns. It's saying, what if? And then actually chasing down that crazy, wonderful, what if all the way to a brand new business idea. Remember that time someone stuck googly eyes on everything? Silly, right? But guess what? It turned into a whole business selling those googly eyes, making people smile, and raking in the cash. That's the magic of thinking outside the box. Number 8, focus on sustainability. Consumers are becoming more and more interested in sustainable products and services. Can you create a business that is good for the environment? For example, a company called Patagonia makes outdoor clothing and gear from recycled materials. Imagine the Earth as our awesome playground, but it's getting a little messy with all the things we use and throw away. Sustainability is like taking good care of our playground, making sure there's enough fun for everyone now and in the future. People are waking up to this and want stuff that helps keep the playground clean. Think of Patagonia. They make cool clothes and gear, but they do it using recycled materials, like giving plastic bottles a second life as comfy jackets. Number 9, use technology to your advantage. Technology can be a powerful tool for businesses. Can you use technology to create a new product or service, or to improve an existing one? For example, a company called Uber used technology to create a new way for people to get around town, which has disrupted the traditional taxi industry. Imagine you're running a lemonade stand. It's hot, everyone's thirsty, and you're squeezing lemons like crazy. But then, your neighbor whips out a fancy robot arm that cuts and squeezes lemons 10 times faster. Suddenly, you're the slowpoke, and your customers are looking elsewhere. That's kind of what technology can do for businesses. It's like a superpowered helper that makes everything faster, better, and maybe even a little bit cooler. Number 10, get creative with your marketing. How will you get the word out about your business? There are many creative marketing strategies that you can use to reach your target audience. For example, a company called Dollar Shave Club used a series of funny and irreverent videos to launch their subscription razor service, which went viral and helped them to grow their business rapidly. Imagine you've baked the most delicious cookies ever, but nobody knows they exist. That's where marketing comes in. It's like spreading the word about your cookie magic and making everyone's mouth water. Getting creative with marketing means thinking outside the box like Dollar Shave Club did with their funny videos. They didn't just show boring razors, they made people laugh and remember them. You can do the same with your business. All right, there you have it. 10 fantastic ways to spark that business brainstorming fire, ready to ignite your entrepreneurial rocket into the profit cosmos. Remember, the best ideas often come from the intersection of passion, problem solving, and a sprinkle of creativity. So go forth, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. The world awaits your next brilliant business brainchild. And hey, if you strike gold, don't forget to send a thank you note, or maybe a share in your future empire wink. Until next time, may your entrepreneurial spirit soar. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.